Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today is February the 4th, and I'm doing some meal prep. You'll probably get this on the 5th or the 6th, but tomorrow I am, February the 5th, has been my day set to go back on keto, and it's just gotta be. But anyway, today I'm going to make a dish with this tonight, my one last pasta dish. This is hot and mild sausage in here, and I'm going to use half of it in the dish I'm fixing tonight, and that's going to have pasta in it, because I know after tomorrow I'm not going to be able to have any more pasta. But, so half of this sausage I'll use one day this week, and then these pork chops, I'll use these this week too. I need to go on and cook these. The date on them is today, so I've got to go on and cook these, and I've already rinsed them off. I've got coconut oil in the bottom of the pan, so they won't get too dried out or whatever in the oven. I've got my oven set to 400, and I'm just going to put some salt and pepper on both sides of these, and I'm going to use this Greek seasoning. I got this, and I pretty much have decided that I like it. So I'm going to go on and use this. It has no carbs in it. I hope you can see that. It has no carbs in it. So it's a pretty good seasoning to use. And so this is one of the things that I'm going to bring you back in probably tomorrow. Well, I'll bring you back and let you see the pork chops when they get done. I'm going to put them in the oven for probably about an hour, and I'm going to cover them with aluminum foil. So I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I had some unexpected but very, very wanted company. My youngest daughter, Kayla, and Josh and Journey came by, and I had already started fixing the sausage and pasta or whatever, and she decided that she wanted like a pizza casserole. So I fixed that for them, and I ate some of it with some pinto beans. And then here's my pork chops. She ate one of them, and I've got, let's show you, I've got 4 in here that we're going to put in the refrigerator for this week. I really like pork chops and eggs, so I may tomorrow for breakfast or lunch fix me a couple pork chops with an egg or whatever for breakfast. I was just watching on the news the other day where they said that, you know, it's always been said that you need to eat breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, now they're saying that it's not. So it's kind of like if you, I forgot what it said anyway. It was just saying that people that ate breakfast, it was not a good thing, that you did tend to gain more weight or whatever. So I may just, on keto, just do 2 meals a day. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I want to taste this and see what it tastes like. All right, that Greek seasoning is really, really good. That is really good, and it's got I got salt and pepper and the Greek seasoning, and I cooked them for about an hour they were covered in aluminum foil, and they cooked for about an hour on 400, and they're really good. That is really good. All right. Well, I will probably go on and end this video here now, since I did taste the pork chops for you, and I'll bring you back in another video for tomorrow on my February 5th restart of keto. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you have a good day. Bye.